These are the wildest Nano Banana Pro prompts I've tested so far, and the last three will make you scratch your head. Okay, so before we start, this video is sponsored by A2E AI, which is an all-in-one AI model that has all the models like Nano Banana Pro, VO 3.1, WAN 2.6, and much more in one place. So, today we'll be using A2E to create all our images and transform them to cool videos. If you use this stylized diorama on an everyday object prompt and just swap the object in the location, Nano Banana Pro creates a miniature world that feels handcrafted, like a real studio diorama shoot. The main trick is simple. You take a normal object and you turn it into the base of the entire scene. Then the location emerges out of it in a way that feels natural, not random. So, let's try it with Tokyo. Go to A2E Video, choose the image, and select Nano Banana Pro. Now, you have a prompt box. Choose model, aspect ratio, and quality up to 4K. So I tried the prompt with Tokyo. But instead of using something boring like a cup or a book, I used a vintage turntable record player. And Nano Banana Pro understood the assignment perfectly. Tokyo rises directly from the spinning vinyl like the grooves are generating the city. You can clearly see Shibuya Crossing laid out like a tiny city block grid, Tokyo Tower sitting as a clean focal landmark. Now here's the fun part. Without leaving the A2E platform, I switched directly to video generation. Choose the VEO 3.1 as the video model. I dropped the same image into the video model and used this image-to-video prompt and generated the video. Suddenly, the vinyl starts spinning smoothly. The tone arm vibrates like music is playing. City lights pulse like equalizers. Windows flicker rhythmically. Trains glide around the record edge. Pedals drift through the air. The camera performs a slow, cinematic orbit with a gentle push-in. And because this is all happening inside one system, the motion feels consistent and premium. Now let me show you something even cooler. I used the same diorama prompt again, but this time with New York City. The base object is a vintage travel briefcase. Inside A2E AI, Nano Banana generated a beautiful miniature NYC, Statue of Liberty, Empire State Building, Central Park. But here's the trick. I duplicated the image and used a deconstruct prompt, again, inside the same platform. That prompt recreates the exact same scene, but with the briefcase completely closed. Now I have a closed briefcase image and an open briefcase with NYC inside. Without exporting anything, I sent both images into A2E AI's video tool as first and last frames. Then I used a cinematic reveal prompt, and the result looks like a movie VFX shot. The third version is more artistic. I used a wooden paint palette as the base, and Santorini grows out of the paint wells like the city itself is painted into existence. Then, I animated it with a softer touch using VEO 3.1. It feels like a painting that's slowly breathing. Before we move to the next use case, quick reminder, everything you're seeing in this video, the prompt structure, the workflows, all of this is already organized step by step inside my Nano Banana Pro Prompt Guide. Inside the guide, you get complete copy-paste prompt templates, full workflow breakdowns, 90+ crazy professional use cases, just like these. So instead of guessing or experimenting for weeks, you can just follow proven systems and get results immediately. You'll find the direct link to the guide in the description and pinned comment. Alright, this next one is insane if you like architecture, city visuals, or cinematic transformations. If you use this blueprint becomes reality prompt inside A2E AI, Nano Banana doesn't just create a building. It creates a moment in time where a drawing literally turns into reality. The concept is simple, but powerful. You start with a flat architectural blueprint, and Nano Banana gradually turns those ink lines into a fully constructed building inside the same image. Now here's the really powerful part. I uploaded this image as a reference and used this deconstruct prompt to rewind the scene. It creates an image with no buildings, no 3D blueprint, and only a piece of paper on the table. It keeps everything else exactly the same. This gives you the perfect first frame for animation. Now you have a clean blueprint-only image, a fully transformed blueprint to building image. Then inside A2E AI's video generation, I uploaded the blueprint-only image as the first frame, the fully built image as the last frame, and I used this animation prompt. The result feels like an architectural reveal trailer, from flat paper to living structure, in one continuous, believable motion. Then I tried it with 3D visualization of the Sydney Opera House architectural blueprint, and it creates this really cool visualization. This is one of my favorite prompts. Alright, this next use case is hands down one of my favorites for commercial style visuals. If you upload your product image and use this ingredient worldscape prompt, Nano Banana turns a normal product shot into a full cinematic landscape built entirely from the product's core ingredient or theme. Nano Banana builds an entire environment around and through the product. The ingredient starts at the top as a source, then flows into the product and continues out of it, transforming into rivers, waterfalls, terrain, and atmosphere. Now, to create a cool video, you can use your simple product image as the first frame and the generated image as the last frame. If you add this image to video prompt, it creates a cool product transformation like this. The result feels like a luxury brand reveal. Here's another version. Alright, this next one is absolutely wild. If you use this exploding newspaper prompt inside A2EAI, Nano Banana takes a normal broadsheet newspaper and turns it into a living 3D timeline. The headlines don't just sit there, they explode into the events themselves. And what makes this insanely powerful is that each section of the newspaper becomes its own miniature world. Alright, this one feels almost impossible the first time you see it. If you use this geographic map diorama prompt and simply change the country and city, Nano Banana Pro builds a physically accurate miniature city exactly where it belongs on the map. So here I generated Rome. You can see Italy printed on the paper. And right on top of it, the Colosseum, St. Peter's Basilica, and the Pantheon rise directly from the map surface. The materials matter a lot here. The paper stays flat and textured, while the buildings use real stone, marble, and concrete. Now here's where it gets crazy. Instead of stopping at the image, I upload the same image again and use the continuation prompt. What it does is keep the exact same lighting, same textures, same time of day, but moves the camera inside the miniature world. So now we're no longer looking at a model, we're standing in Rome. The Colosseum becomes massive, streets appear around us, pedestrians walk naturally, sunlight passes between buildings, and nothing feels like a morph. It feels like the camera physically entered the map. Now I take the map image as the first frame, the inside Rome image as the last frame, and generate a video. Using the same map diorama prompt, Tokyo rises directly from Japan's real geographic position. Skyscrapers, shrines, rail lines, everything placed naturally on the paper surface. New York works insanely well for this because of recognizable landmarks. The city rises exactly where it belongs on the map. Statue of Liberty in the harbor, Central Park as a green patch, bridges stretching across the paper texture. One quick thing. If you don't want to keep guessing what works and what doesn't inside Nano Banana Pro, I've put everything into a single prompt guide. It covers everything you need to master Nano Banana Pro, from cinematic visuals to creative storytelling prompts like the ones you saw in this video. All the prompts are clean, structured, and ready to use. You just copy, paste, and customize. I also keep updating the guide with new prompts and workflows, so it keeps getting better over time. The link's in the description if you want to check it out. If you want to try A2E video yourself, I've added the link in the description. Try it yourself and test all the cool models in one place. If you missed previous parts, here's the one you must watch next.